Good morning, everybody. So, it is like 11. I got up early today because I think I got some good sleep last night. Was resting most of the night. I kind of just laid down and then went to bed at 11 and then so I think I got some good sleep. So I woke up at 9, half an hour early. That's pretty good for me, and I actually woke up not feeling too bad. My headache is gone, sore throat's gone. I feel a lot better. I think maybe I was just worn down on Monday, just trying to, I don't know. This weird sleep schedule I have is, I think, the main issue. But I'm going to go edit. I got this sub thing figured out. The lady emailed me back saying it was all taken care of so I can start looking for jobs. There are none. There are, but not like areas I want to be at or grades that I want to be at. But I don't think that'll matter soon. I think I need to just start doing it. So, because I have to have at least one sub day in before the end of the school year for Christmas break. So I need to get that going, and then I think that's about it for today. Just keep looking for jobs, and yeah. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, so we are out of the shower, and now I'm going to go out and look up our neighbor across the street. They're getting married on Saturday, and mom and dad are going to the wedding, and I need to find like a gift on their registry. So that is what I'm going to go out and do, and then I don't know what else we're going to do today. Oh, I still need to look for jobs for Friday, because tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm going to go out with mom and help her find something to wear to the wedding, and then we have to go down to the hospital where she had her last colonoscopy done to take it to her doctor. So we're going to do that tomorrow and hopefully get a gift for them. So yeah, I'm going to go look on their registry now and see what I can find. Are you kneading? Are you kneading? Are you purring? Yep, you're purring. Kneading and purring. Oh. Alright, you don't have to be in here. We can go out there. Oh, what? Oh, what? Huh? What? What? Oh, thank you. Okay. Are you trying to lick off my chapstick? Look who we've got. We have the Paris. She's sitting with me on the couch. And we're watching a Hitler show on Discovery Channel. Right? Where's my... Oh, you're such a good kitty girl. Lick, 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 lick. What Paris loves to do most. Oy, 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 oy. Neo. Hi, big boy. What are you doing? Meow. Neo. I think he's wanting food for daddy dinner. But Neo. And Paris is still with us. Now we're watching Jimmy Fallon. Oh. Right, Paris? You love Jimmy Fallon, don't you? Like, no, I don't. Do we have couch cats? There's a couch cat. There's a couch cat. Are you two so cute? Look at you being all cute. Alright, everybody. It is time to go to bed. I'm going to bed again early tonight because Mom is going to... I don't know if she's going to start fully staying up with him again, but she's going to start staying up more with him. So when I start working, she's used to it. I'm used to going to bed early. I'm still going to be trying to find a job for Friday. So fingers crossed that I find something. And then tomorrow we're going shopping for a wedding outfit for Mom, the wedding gift, and I think that's it. And we have to go to the hospital and get those the test results from her test from like years ago. So that is our day for tomorrow. Today was a good day. Just kind of relaxing. Still not feeling 100%, so I still took kind of today and was just resting and chilling. But I'm feeling a lot better tonight, so that's good. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you guys watching this. Hopefully you had a great morning, evening, noon, night. Whenever you were watching this, hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. Bye. Say good night. Say good night. Good night, Internet.